It is the 18th of February 2026. This is WIKISPEED Little Red Wagon Project, LRW, stand up. Lauren, you want to start us off?
Yeah, it's Lauren, uh, on island in the Salish Sea, British Columbia. And the past week, I really just I looked at one of Josh's, another one of Josh's videos. One of them about RosCon in Singapore this year, I think, and also, um, yeah, actually, I kind of just looked over the videos, the newer videos he had out at Articulated Robotics had out, and really not much more than that. So coming week, I I hope to um, make a little progress on some kind of ecosystem for publicizing the meeting or a workaround other than just sending out the notice. And containers are Ross, but not a whole lot. Not anticipating a whole lot. And blocks are yeah, I do have tax deadlines and actually, yeah, some things happening with my place and with people visiting. So that's it.
Okay. Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, I tried to get Ross working on a couple of the Docker uh, loads. I can't remember what they're called right now. Docker images, whatever it is. And I have run into various error messages. Basically, image not found, so I have a path problem. I did not get to watching the videos for, I can't remember his name. Anyway, the I have some videos to watch this coming week, and if we end up going to the ski lodge, I'm going to have about 6 hours to try stuff, but unfortunately, I won't have any internet. So I will have the instructions that I bring with me and any videos that I've downloaded, and it'll be about it. And blocks, just stuff. We've got about 4 inches of snow. Took a little while to clear off. So, and there we have David. Uh, Hello, David. You ready for your stand-up? And you're muted. There we
Okay,
go.
you talking to me?
Yep, I can hear you now.
Okay, well, as I mentioned a few weeks ago, I had a very busy month there with doctor's appointments and things like that. So I didn't really get anything much done. I did some organizing of my office and related areas, meaning that basically I got enough stuff put away that I can find my desk behind me there. And I'm trying to think if I did any work on hydroponics project. The only thing is, I hadn't heard from the guy for a while, and I've been messaging, emailing him, asking what's up, and I got an email from him today saying that he's gotten very busy with other things, and we won't be able to work on that for the foreseeable future. So that project is shelved indefinitely. So basically, I don't have anything to report.
Okay. What you planning on this week? Oh, David, are you planning on anything this week?
Oh, are we planning on anything this week? Um, well, again, I've got a pretty full calendar. Hold on a second here. I'll go ahead and pull that up actually, just um, yeah, let's see, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday. I may have time Monday to work on anything. That's about the only day I don't have a lot of stuff scheduled there. So I don't anticipate that I'll get a lot done this coming week either.
Okay, well, fair enough. And we just lost Lauren. Okay, that's interesting. I assume he hit the wrong button.
I think he put his bowl down on his keyboard or something and
Yeah.
cut himself off there.
There
There
he
we
is
go.
again. Okay, Lauren,
Yeah,
you ready
so
for retro?
retro, yeah. So I'm going to give myself a 6, team an 8, no process improvement.
Okay. David, you want to do retro?
Well, I would give myself a 1 for managing to get my office cleaned up a little bit, but I'm going to subtract another 1 because the hydroponic projects fell through, so I'm going to give myself a 0. Although that wasn't really my fault. Okay, I'll give
Yeah,
myself a 1. I'll give
yeah,
myself
you should give yourself at least a 1 for showing up for the meeting.
Okay, I'll give myself a 2 then. 1 for showing up, although I was late because I lost track of time. And another 1 for organizing my office. The thing is, I had a lot of projects, half finished stuff sitting all piled up on the desk, and I put away, you know, I found that like about 30 or 40, uh, wires, connector wires all over the desk from all these projects I've been doing. I'm just saying, I put a lot of stuff away. I got things organized. I'll give myself a 1 for that and another 1 for showing up here.
Okay.
As for the group, I'm afraid I didn't hear what the other people had done, so I can't rate the group.
Okay. Well, I'm going to give myself a 2 because I didn't get very much stuff done. And I'll go with a 7 for the team, and because we're still showing up. And that's about it. Anybody got any crosstalk they want recorded? No? Okay, I'm going to hit the button.